Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can tag your friends on Instagram Notes. So Notes is where you can share your thought or your the music that you currently are listening to by going to this. You can go to your profile, and here you can click on this drop a thought, or you can also go to your DMs page here, and then you can add your current vibe. So you can just tap on this, so you can capture the moment with a video note if you want to, but I'm not going to try that. So I'm going to just here share a music. For example, I'm going to use this music right here. You can choose the music, which part of the music, click on the check icon, and now you can mention your friends by using this at here, and then find the usernames of your friends. For example, I want to mention this friends right here. Now you can just tap on share, and you can see the notes will show like this. It will show with the music title and also the usernames, your friends usernames. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.